Today we're answering one of the greatest internet questions asked by burgeoning chefs cooking everywhere. How to cook asparagus? And that is a great question, because what a delicious vegetable it is. We'll start by chopping off the bottom portion of the asparagus, about 2 inches or so. This portion of the asparagus is tough and stringy. Not the best for how we're going to be preparing our asparagus today. However, you don't have to throw these away. You could save them and make some vegetable stock or asparagus soup, or just let them grow mold in your refrigerator, despite your best intentions, and then throw them away. We'll be using 4 cloves of purple garlic. We've peeled them and cut them in half. Now we'll mince the garlic. Chop them up nice and small. Garlic just makes vegetables better. Great flavor and smell. Don't forget to subscribe. We cook and bake a lot. We'll be uploading videos weekly, so make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Did you know it takes 3 years for asparagus to grow from seed to harvest? But once they get going, they will produce for 15 years. Something to think about before you buy those asparagus seeds at the local hardware store. Oceana County, Michigan is the self-proclaimed asparagus capital of the world, as they produce 2/3 of the state's spears and host a National Asparagus Festival in June each year. We're going to oil our pan on high heat with some olive oil, and we'll add in our asparagus. What a delicious vegetable it is. So often cooked, and yet overcooked and mushy. We'll show you how to make a nice, crunchy garlic asparagus that's not overcooked and not mushy. Then we'll just poke it around, fiddle with it with a wooden or plastic spoon or a spatula for a while. If you want to become an internet sensation, just use metal tongs and scratch your pan in a ridiculous fashion as you cook your asparagus. This is super easy to make. Be sure to check out our growing collection of videos on our channel and see the link to our most recent video and a video recommended just for you at the end of this video. You don't want to overcook your asparagus or it'll be mushy. We want it to have some texture and some crunch, but not too much. Okay, now we'll salt and pepper to taste. Asparagus goes great with a ribeye steak, salmon, chicken. I love some roast lamb chops with the side of this asparagus. Interestingly enough, the war on drugs and asparagus are related. America pays Peruvian farmers to grow asparagus instead of coca, depressing the global price of asparagus and making it an unprofitable proposition for American farmers. Once they've cooked a little bit, we can add in our garlic. King Louis XIV of France, who grew asparagus in greenhouses in Versailles in order that he could eat it year-round, aptly dubbed asparagus the king of vegetables. The Emperor, Caesar Augustus, was such a connoisseur of the elegant vegetable, he organized elite military units to procure it for him. The famed asparagus fleets made rounds in the empire to import the best varieties back to Rome, while the fastest runners were employed to carry fresh spears high into the Alps, where it could be frozen for later use. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, so you get notified whenever we upload a video. That's ready to eat. Serve immediately. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.